Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to seal a bag of chips without using anything. This will be a very easy life hack tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you know, when you're eating a bag of chips, if you don't finish the whole bag, you have to seal it in order to keep them tasting and feeling fresh. Usually you're going to use a bag clip, but there's actually an easy way to do this without using anything at all. All that you need is the actual bag itself, the bag of chips itself. So as you can see right here, I have this old bag of chips, and we're going to use this for the demonstration. Okay, so you want to make sure that your bag of chips is at least half empty. I mean, you can do it when it's a little bit more full than halfway, but it is a bit harder. It's easier to do when you have less than half a bag left. So what you want to do is go to the top over here of the bag, and you can see this is an open bag, just to be clear, okay? And you're going to fold the right side into a corner. Okay, just like that. And you're going to fold the left side into a corner, and it's definitely okay if they overlap. You want to have roughly the same fold. It doesn't have to be exact, but you want to roughly have the same fold, okay? So we've overlapped them like that. Now we're going to take the top, which is this little weird shape. We're going to roll it over onto the fold, okay? So we're going to roll it a few times. We'll do it once, twice, 3 times. It doesn't have to be super clean, by the way. It just has to get done basically, and then another time, 4 times. You want it to be towards the ending of these corners. So this is what it looks like right here. We have these corners right here, then we have the folded part towards us. All that we need to do now is take this folded part and bring the corners on each side over the folded part. Okay, so I like to do it one by one. I'm going to take, and I'm going to hold this over here. I'm going to hold it down with my palm. I like to take this corner and bring in the corner over the folded part, and I'm tucking the folded part up like that. I'm doing the same thing over here. I'm holding this like here with my palm. I'm gonna bring this corner over the folded part and tuck it up, okay? And then you wanna get both of those corners and just tuck the folded part into the corner, and you've now created a nicely sealed bag. And obviously if you take your time and you practice, it's going to get even better. This is just a basic tutorial, but the more that you practice, the better off that you're going to be, and you're going to have a nicely sealed bag. And then yeah, you don't have to worry about using a bag clip or anything like that. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.